Question number 4. Deleting a record from a CSV file by making use of a temporary file. So step 1, you can import all the necessary modules. You need the OS module because we will make use of remove and rename function. You can write the function header. Parameter iname contains the name of the stock whose details you want to delete. Example taken B. And this is a CSV file. It contains 3 records. So as per this example, we want to delete the second record because its stock name is B. Now, this file must be opened for reading purpose. A temporary file must be opened for writing purpose in W mode. This is the temporary file. To read data, you need to create CSV reader object. To write data, you need to create CSV writer object. Now, CRO will contain all the rows, all the lists of the CSV file. From CRO, you can take list one by one. So for I in CRO, how do you get the item name? I of 1 will give you item name. So if I of 1 equal to I name, meaning this is the record to be deleted. So if I of 1 equal to I name, in the second case they are equal, this is the record to be deleted. So pass means empty statement. So this list should not be written to the temporary file. Otherwise, all other list should be written to the temporary file. So CWO dot write row within bracket I, the list will be written to temporary file. Once the use is over, you can close the file, and if multiple statements are written in the same line, they should be separated using semicolon. Let me explain this part using an example. For I in CRO, I will contain the first list. What is I of 1? A. What does I name contain? B. So A equal to B, wrong, meaning this is not the list to be deleted. Control will come to else part. That list is written to the temporary CSV file. So it will come here. Again, for I in CRO, now I will point to second list. This time what is I of 1? B. What does I name contain? That is also B. So B equal to B, correct, meaning this is the list to be deleted. So pass, empty statement. This should not be written to the temporary file. Finally, I will contain the last list. What is I of 1? C. What is I name? B. So C equal to B, wrong, meaning this is not the row to be deleted. So control will come to else part, and that row, that list will be written to the temporary CSV file. Now, this list should be removed from the hard disk. So os.remove stock.csv, this one will be removed from the hard disk. Now you need to rename the CSV file as stock.csv. For that you can use os.rename. The existing name is written first, followed by the new name. So this CSV file is renamed as stock.csv, and you can see in the new stock.csv record number 2 is not there, which means it is deleted. So this is how you delete a record from a CSV file using a temporary file.